Webmania.
Hello viewers, welcome to Webmania Bootstrap 3 27th video tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about Bootstrap panel. So let's start. Here is the table which consists all the classes used in creating panels. So this is the table. On right side of the table you see the purpose of these classes, and left side you see the classes. The first class is panel itself. This class is used to create a panel. The second one is panel heading. Panel heading creates panel heading. Panel title, used for styling the title in panel heading. The second last is panel body. This class is used to create the panel body. And third one is panel footer. Last one is panel footer, which is used for creating the panel footers. So we apply all these classes to create a panel. So let's start with an example. So let's create a panel that look like this. So this is the layout that we want to achieve by using panel components. So this is our panel heading, also this is our panel title, and this is the panel body, and at last this is our panel footer. So let's go back to our editor. This is our editor. Let me size this bigger. So now it's looking pretty and big. So here you can see we have a container. Inside a container we have a row class, and inside the row class we have a div element consisting of bootstrap grid column, which is spanning across 4 units, 4 columns. So in creating panels, the first step is to create panel class itself. So here I'm going to create panel class itself, and inside the panel class, the first step we want to achieve the panel body. So here I'm going to use the the first step we want to achieve is the panel heading. So here I'm going to write the class of panel. It's a div, and it's a panel heading. So our panel heading is, write in H2, and it is what is Bootstrap. So this is our class panel title. So let's save this and view in our browser. So this is our browser, and here when we reload this page, so this is our panel heading and this is our panel title. So it's not styled at the moment because we didn't apply any of the panel styling class to this. So let's go back to our editor and apply some panel styling class on this. So if we want to style our panel, we have several classes used for designing, which are several primary, which are panel primary, panel success, panel info, panel danger, panel default, all these classes. So I'm going to use the panel primary. So let's save this and view this in our browser. So when we reload this, notice it look like the same that we want to achieve, but we want to achieve that this text is placed in center. So let's go back to our editor and place this text in center. To achieve that, we simply have to use the class of text center. Let's save this and view in our browser. Here when we reload this, notice our text is now placed in the center. Now we want to achieve the panel body. So let's go back to our editor. To achieve panel body, we have to create the div element with class panel body. And here I have some dummy text of Lauren Ipsum. So let's save this and view in our browser. We simply do this is to create a panel body class. Let's save this and view in our browser. So here when we reload this, notice we have a panel with bodies. This is our header and this is our panel. Now the remaining footer. So let's go back to our editor and now achieve the footer. For achieving footer, you simply have to use the class of div, and the class is panel footer. Here is this. Inside the footer, I'm using this small element which reduce the size of this, and here I write bootstrap, bootstrap 4 is coming soon. Let's save this and view in our browser. Here when we reload this, notice this is our footer element, and now we also want this footer is to place at the center. So let's go back to our editor. To place the center, we simply have to use the class of text center. Let's save it and view in our browser. So here when we reload this, notice we achieve the layout we want. So if you want to change the style of this panel, you simply have to use different panel styling classes. So let's go back to our editor and apply these different panels classes. So here if we want panel warning, let's save this and view in our browser. Notice the style is changed, but it not looks pretty. Let's go back and try another one. Here I'm going to use the panel info. Let's save this. So here you can see we can change different styles of our panel. So this is panel and we use all the classes and make this panel. And here is the required HTML for achieving that panel. So in our next video tutorial, we will learn Bootstrap pager and Bootstrap pagination. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned. Have a good day.